What's going on, everybody? My name is Danny Ferrari.
My name is Parker Immense.
And we are Excellent Sound, and we are back with a really cool video for you guys today. It's 2025. It's officially the future, bro.
It's almost not 2025
It's almost
anymore.
not. Yeah, it's 2026.
We're so far in the future.
Dude, time's going by so fast. AI is evolving. That's right. We got a buzzword today. We're talking about a little bit of AI. We might be using a little bit of AI.
Oh, we are.
Yes, we are. But don't be scared. We're going to hold your hand. We're going to let you know it's okay. We're not losing our jobs yet. All right?
I really hope that they are like us. We embrace all of the new tools.
Yeah.
Whether it be AI, a new plugin, like whatever.
Yes. We're definitely down for supporting people and especially ethically sourced AI.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to be talking about that in this video too. So Parker and I got linked up with a company called Audiomee, okay? And Audiomee is an awesome new software plugin online sort of, what would you call it?
It's not really a plugin. It's like a platform. Yeah. It's like a platform.
It's a platform, right? And it's this really cool way to go ahead and do a lot of different things with vocals, right? We're going to be making some awesome vocal chops, and we're going to be using new techniques that no one's even done before yet.
Can I sing some melodies?
Yes, you're going to be able to sing some melodies.
Really?
I'm going to sing. Do you want to sing?
No, I don't want to sing.
I'm going to sing my heart out.
I can't sing for anything.
I can sing. I'm just
you got a beautiful voice, dude.
Okay?
You got an amazing voice.
We're going to be singing some melodies. We're going to be going over what that does. So if you guys like it, if you like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and more importantly, if you guys are interested in this really cool tool, make sure you guys click a link down in the description. That will go ahead and get you signed up for it if you want to do that. But more importantly too, it helps the channel. So it helps us be able to do more content. So if you like it, just go ahead and check out that link, and if you want to get more info as well. So, all right.
Give us an ethical click, dude.
An ethical click,
you
right?
You know what I'm saying?
Ethically sourced AI, ethically.
Ethically sourced mouse,
ethical. Dude. Everything here is ethical.
We're going to show you how much ethnicity?
Ethical ethnicity?
How many ethnicities there are.
It's a lot. All right, cool. So let's go ahead. So Parker went ahead and made a little diddly, which we're going to be messing with, which I'll show you in a bit. But first I want to pull up Audiomee, right? Audiomee.
Audiomee.
One of the main things it does is you could go ahead and sing a melody, right? And let's say that your voice is too good for the public to hear, like in my case, right? You're either too good looking and your voice is too good, it's got too much great timbre. You can choose from a lot of different actual people, right? And it's gonna go ahead and take their voice and put it over yours and actually sound incredibly real and realistic with their timbre, with their tone. So that's one of the things it does. We're going to choose some of these people probably based solely off looks, not based off of how they sound, solely off how good looking.
We're very shallow guys over here. Very shallow.
Don't care how it sounds. Anyway, so it's kind of cool that you could do that. And then there's some other really cool things that you could do with like harmony engines and even using synths to write your own melody, which we're going to talk about. So if you can't sing, but you could program some MIDI, we got you. All right, so first and foremost, it's pretty easy to use, pretty user-friendly. You just jump in and you can go ahead and just straight to go to convert, which is what we're gonna be doing. And then we're gonna choose a vocalist for us to select. One cool thing that it does as well is it actually isolates vocals from a track, or let's say you didn't get the best recording. Thank God that exists now.
Thank God.
Back in the day, if you wanted an acapella, good luck. So first, we gotta get a vocal, right?
Yep.
So let's go ahead and jump into Ableton. Parker's got this beautiful little thing. Let's just go ahead and play a little bit of it.
Beautiful little diddly, dude.
Just a nice little parts. So just a nice little verse and a build, and then, I don't know, we'll see. If you guys really like this video, maybe we'll do a drop to it. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, first, we gotta write some music.
Where are you going? Oh!
Sorry, what was that?
Oh! We kept this empty so we could put in a ton of vocals.
Whatever we do, we'll definitely put this up on Patreon for the patrons. So if you guys want to grab that, link is in the description too as well.
Yep, so let's run this. You ready, dude?
When I'm alone with you. Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
How to walk it up inside of you. How many dudes will I kiss on a Tuesday afternoon? You know that's my dude. Yeah, that's my dude. My only freaking dude. One take, didn't need any more.
Wow, one take Tim's, dude. One take Tim's. I didn't know you could sing that well, dude.
I did. I hope you guys are okay with me pouring my heart out. All right, let's go ahead and mess with it, dude.
I'm very
Obviously
surprised,
doesn't need any autocorrection.
I am very surprised,
I'm not. So now we got our beautiful vocal. So let's go ahead and grab this. So now we got to select somebody based off of the hottest looking person.
This guy's pretty handsome.
Yeah, this guy's pretty hot. I don't want to go with Mark though.
Looks like he makes like synthwave.
Mark looks a little arrogant to me. Whoa, look at all these
Oh,
people. We got
dude.
Coolio's sister, Tamia, right? We got...
Oh, look at Blake over here, dude. Blake
Oh,
is from
Blake's
like,
kinda
he's
hot.
like a mountain guy, dude.
Dude, you got Bobby Altoff here. Look at this little kid, Michael Jackson Jr.
Holy cow, we got kid voices, dude.
We got kid voices. So all of these people on here are real people, and when we say ethically sourced, I believe they get something for you actually using it. But you get to use it. So when you essentially sign up for this product, you get to actually use whatever you want. You don't have to pay out any royalties, right?
Yeah, and something cool too is they're adding new profiles like all the time. Like we logged in this morning and there's already new people at the top.
Let's try somebody new.
You and me, eternity. That's how it's supposed
Yeah,
to be.
I like this girl.
Okay.
We hearted her.
Aylin. Okay, so check it out. So the core pitch range is A3 to D sharp 5. So either you need to move your vocals up to that range to match it, like probably in my case, we're probably gonna have to pitch it up, but that's where it's gonna sound the best. Okay, so we got our singer, right? All right, now let's go ahead and do this. So we can go ahead and do edit pitch. We could do some quick tuning.
Yep,
Do we need to do that?
Yeah, tune you.
Okay, pitch shift. I think we're gonna leave it how it is and just see how it comes out, and then we might edit it therefore. But if I have quick pitch tuning, use quick pitch tuning to use fast tuning. Use quick tuning for a fast tuning. Make sure to set the key. So I am set for quick tuning right now. I don't have to go into pitch editor, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, so we don't need to isolate the vocals because we already have clean vocals engineered by Parker, sang by me perfectly. Actual human compression. I know how to like move the mic, you know, it's a technique.
That's why there was no peaking whatsoever.
Yeah. So I was like, when you get loud, you move away and you bring it back. It's not that hard. You can, I have a lot of practice doing that, if you know what I'm saying. Conversion strength, 100%. Right now, our main thing that we're doing is we're trying to generate as much source material to make some cool vocal chops. All right, so we got that. Let's go ahead and convert it. Let's see what happens.
How many times do I tell you what am I to do? What am I to do with myself? Day, afternoon, you know that's my dude. Yeah, that's my dude.
She's doing okay, but the pitch range you could see is a little lower.
Yeah, so do I pitch her up or should we choose somebody
we should
with a
probably pitch you up.
Yeah, yeah. So that's actual semitones. Let's try doing an octave. Let's see how it sounds.
How long do I tell you what am? How do I get up inside of you?
Okay, hold on, hear me out. Okay, I'm downloading this one.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
I'm downloading it. That's the first one with no pitching,
Yeah.
right? So I'm gonna download that as well. All right, now that we got our cool vocal in there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get some more source material. We're gonna go ahead and use the synth feature. So check this out. You can actually make a synth melody idea and bring it in. So I tried my best to kind of just like make some cool melodies to get some different results. To make something catchy, there's gotta be repetition. So like stuff like this. And then also, we went ahead and tried some arpeggios. We don't know how this is gonna come out. Hopefully it comes out cool. All right, so once you have that, awesome new tip in Ableton. If you guys don't know about this, this is probably one of the best things they've finally done is you go ahead and hit Command B. Select your MIDI just like so. Bam, Command B. Bounce in place, puts it on a new track. Thank you, Ableton, finally. All right, so let's go ahead and drag this in and let's see what happens. While that's doing that, check this out. So if you guys are liking what you're seeing so far, Audiomee has this really, really cool program with their pricing. What you can actually do is you could go ahead and get it for free if you wanna try it. The way they do it is by a monthly subscription, but you can see they got a bunch of different main thing, 11 royalty-free voices. You can use 11 of them right now for free. You get 15 minutes of conversion.
15 minutes is great,
Yeah.
dude. That's like, how many songs? 5 songs, 5 full songs.
Yeah, exactly. $25 is a recommend. You get 3 hours conversion. $50, you get all this unlimited. You basically are set up. But if you guys go ahead and do this yearly right now, you guys can go ahead and this is
way
actually what you're
cheaper.
paying, right? So definitely check that out. Again, help us out by checking out the link in the description. You guys can go ahead and get it if you guys want to try it out. Maybe just try a month, you know what I mean? Just see what you come up with. And I'm sure you can come up with a bunch of stuff. Maybe make like a whole sample pack out of it. I mean, these are all royalty-free stuff that you could just use. Let's check back in and see if our a nice little vocal is done cooking in the oven.
Yeah, dude. Oh, this is sick.
All right, so we got everything brought in. Let's go ahead and hear what it sounds like. Just kind of jamming on. Let's try the vocals first. We didn't really hear it. We need some auto tune actually. Let's get some auto tunage going. So let's go ahead and get some auto tune. But I think this is like kind of the main sauce right here. Okay, I just want to hear it real quick with the reverb and. Parker's the really good at making vocals sound.
I just like watching what you do. It's so funny sometimes.
How do I get up inside of you? How many doors will I kiss on the twos?
Let's hear hear what the synth did real quick. Okay, the ARP is for sure the move. Okay, the ARP is the move. I think there's some usable stuff in here, but now that I'm like, I might make some stuff out of these and do some cool stuff, but I feel like the majority of what we're gonna get is from this. One really cool thing you could do is there's a harmony generator, right? Harmony engine, essentially.
Yeah.
So let's just pick apart and let's just try to get a harmony.
One for you.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and Command B this real quick. We're gonna drag in our audio right here, like so. Let's go ahead and preview real quick.
One for you.
Dude.
Oh, there's presets.
Look at this, dude.
Oh,
you get
pop
all
thirds.
of these crazy stacks, dude.
Pop thirds and fifths.
Yeah, look, you got hyper pop stack, dude. You want to be hyper pop? So look, now you just have to pick for each one. You have to go in here and tell it what to follow.
Oh, okay. So we got a third, a fourth, an octave higher, and then let's do 6.
Yeah.
And then let's just have this one be a root drone, whatever that means.
One for you.
Woo!
That sounds crazy.
What's really cool about this is once you download it, it actually gives you a processed and unprocessed version of it. That's so
One
cool.
for you. One for you. One for you.
So let's grab those in, and then we're gonna go ahead and try this right here.
One for you.
That's
For
crazy.
you.
We got plenty of source material. Let's see what we can do to make this part really, really come through, okay? All right, so first thing we got to work with this ARP, bro. We got to use this
sure
ARP
we do.
somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I definitely want to use this processing and see what I can make out of it. I got this cool little part right here. It sounds so sick, bro. I just had a little distortion and
It's almost
reverb.
like a war horn.
Yeah,
dude.
it sounds like a war horn. Yeah, it's from the melody. And I just like pitched it down. All right, let's go ahead and grab some of the ARP that I liked was over here. This was pretty cool. All right, what if we did like some auto pan on it? Go some classic auto pan.
One for you.
Yo!
That's sick, dude.
Do a little reverb, throw it. We got to get some delay too.
One for you.
This is the atmosphere right there, dude. Check that out even.
That's
Watch.
crazy,
All right,
bro.
So I'm gonna resample just this.
One for you.
Now watch what happens if I take this and I put it here. So now let's go ahead and see what else we could do with some of these chops. Sometimes it's just like kind of finding little cool parts and just getting creative with reverb and other different types of effects. There's some good stuff here. Watch this. All right, let's grab these guys and let's go ahead and bring them up and see what we can come up with these.
One for you. One for you. One for you.
I'm gonna do one more thing and see if we can come up with something cool, and then we'll wrap it up for this video because I think we got so many cool ideas here. And if you guys want to see us finish this song, you gotta let us know, right?
Yeah, this is going crazy.
I might just
bro.
finish it because I like it. You know, maybe we go with the classic auto pan and see if we get something cool out of this. So just kind of just shows you like we got to embrace all these different types of technologies that we're getting because look at how much cool stuff we're just making.
I'm loving it.
Like what happens if we do this kind of classic, you know, big thing is this. I mean, this is so in right now. And you can get crazy with like some pitch bendy stuff. You guys can get nuts. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I know we had a lot of fun making that. If you guys like AUDIMEE and you guys want to go ahead and get yourself a subscription, go ahead and click the link down below. It helps us out too if you guys buy a copy, which is awesome to help the channel. But check them out. They're doing some really cool stuff. It looks like they got a lot more stuff to come. If you guys enjoyed this contest, if you guys want to see us do more of this, let us know in the comments. You know, maybe we'll finish this song. We'll go ahead and give you all of the cool sounds that we made from this. We'll go ahead and put that in a nice little package for you guys to use.
Yeah, I think my favorite was definitely the harmony engine.
Yeah,
I could see myself using that all the time.
for sure.
And I love like all of the different profiles on there. It's
Yeah.
not just like the same stale like ones over and over
Yeah.
again. The ultra favorite sound design trick with the ARP.
The ARP was crazy,
You know,
bro.
that's insane.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start uploading like crazy sounds to it, yoinks. I'm gonna try
Yeah,
all
try
this crazy
anything, bro.
stuff.
You don't
know what
know.
I'm saying?
Let us know what you guys come up with. Maybe if you guys do something cool, if you guys mess around with you know, like they have the free trial too. So if you guys mess around with something, let us know. I really like creating a lot of the atmospheric stuff.
Yeah.
And for those of you guys that are like, if you definitely don't want to have somebody's voices, you know, you're using somebody's voice and you don't really like their voice, or you don't really feel like you can use it, this is a cool way to kind of, you know, get a different result, which is kind of nice. Sometimes we have bad singers too.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like maybe
Yeah.
you brought somebody in and they did a terrible job. Like think about all those projects that you have that like you felt like the melody was probably good, but the singer just wasn't really doing it for you.
Yeah.
You know, maybe grab some old projects and take their voice and change it to somebody else's. You know what I mean? And maybe you'll get some cool stuff.
Yeah.
Or at least be able to make some cool new stuff, you know, like we were doing here. We got a bunch of cool new sounds. Even if we don't end up liking the song, look at all these cool sounds we got to use. I mean, more importantly, we got creative. Thanks to AUDIMEE for sending us that too. And thank you guys for watching as always. We'll be back with some more videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.
We'll see you guys next time.